Hi everyone, this is Blue Hawk here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Nord Savings V2 product on Polygon. If you're not familiar with Polygon, it's an Ethereum sidechain that provides quick and cheap transactions. I'm quite excited personally about the future of Nord Finance, especially the staking and advisory programs that are coming soon. With that, let's get started. Head over to nordfinance.io and have a look around. You'll get a nice overview of the Nord Finance protocol here. And when you're done looking around, click on Go to App. At the top, there are three network options: Ethereum, Binance, and Polygon. Switch over to the Polygon network. If you already have the Polygon network configured, you can switch over to it in MetaMask. If you don't have it configured, here's how. Click on MetaMask, click on the network button, and click on Custom RPC. Give the network a name. I'm going to call it Matic Network because Matic is a token used to pay Polygon network fees. Insert the URL shown here. So it's going to give me this message because I already have this network configured. Chain ID is 137. For currency symbol, enter Matic. And click Save. Once you're done setting it up, you can click over to the Matic network. If you don't have any Matic in your wallet, you can head over to matic.supply. Check I am human. Click Connect. Click Receive. Note, you will only get free Matic if you don't currently have any in your wallet. Since I already have Matic in my wallet, I won't be able to get any for free. With the network switched over to Polygon, click Connect, click MetaMask, and your wallet is now connected to Nord Finance. You'll see three stablecoin vaults: USDC, Tether, and DAI. You'll see your wallet balances for those three tokens on this line. The base APY shows the current earn rate for the vault on your stablecoin on an annualized basis. The reward APY is the incentivized earnings you could obtain at the highest reward tier level. I'll talk about the reward tiers in just a bit. Clicking on the USDC vault will take you to a dashboard that will allow you to deposit and withdraw USDC and Nord tokens. On the right-hand side is a handy Nord reward calculator that will show your potential bonus earnings based on the amount of USDC and Nord tokens deposited. If you hover over the information icon, you can see an overview of the reward tiers available. The more Nord tokens you deposit into the vault, the higher your potential earnings. This serves as a loyalty reward system that provides more rewards for those who stake more Nord into the vault. Staking your Nord signals your confidence in owning the tokens and your desire to hold them, and the protocol rewards you with more Nord. This is a very well-designed incentive system because it aligns the interests of Nord token holders and the Nord protocol itself, which gives more Nord tokens to those that actually want to hold them. To obtain the highest tier level, which is Titanium, a deposit of 3,500 or more Nord tokens is required. At the Titanium level, you get the highest rewards: a 12.5% APY bonus on your USDC deposited, and a 12.5% APY bonus on your Nord tokens deposited, both of which will be paid to you in the form of additional Nord tokens. It really is that simple. Stake more Nord tokens, earn a higher percentage in Nord tokens. On top of all of this, the titanium level gives you a 50% discount on protocol fees into the vault. Deposit fees are 0.5% of the amount of the deposit before any discount and would be 0.25% of the amount of the deposit after the titanium level discount. You can find a nice graphic on the Nord Finance Medium page that gives a nice summary of the various reward tiers and the benefits at each level. The titanium level is the only reward tier that provides a discount on the deposit fee. Even if you don't have any Nord tokens to deposit, you still qualify for the bronze level, which gives you a 2% APY bonus on your USDC deposited and a 2% APY bonus on any Nord deposited. Again, both of which will be paid to you in the form of additional Nord. I'm going to show you an example of a 10,000 USDC and 3,500 Nord token deposit. The 3,500 Nord deposit is going to get you to the titanium level. This gives you 228 USDC of interest earnings after 1 year on your 10,000 USDC deposit. Note, however, that the base APY shown here is dynamic and will fluctuate depending on market conditions, but will not vary based on the reward tier level. The 12.5% APY bonus on your USDC at the titanium level is on top of the base APY and would be paid in the form of Nord tokens, which at current prices works out to about 348 Nord tokens after 1 year based on a 10,000 USDC deposit. You would also earn a 12.5% APY bonus on deposited Nord. On a 3,500 Nord token deposit, you'll see that you would earn about 437 Nord tokens from this bonus. Total earnings after 1 year work out to about $3,050 on a 10,000 USDC and 3,500 Nord token deposit. I'm going to do a test deposit to show you the steps required. I'm going to deposit 100 USDC. I'm going to click on deposit, and this brings up a prompt to confirm my deposit amount. I'm depositing into the USDC vault with a deposit amount of 100 USDC. 0.5 USDC is taken by the protocol as a deposit fee, and that's that 0.5% deposit fee that I mentioned earlier. This last one, USDC Infinite Approval, Trust Contract Forever. Generally, I like to toggle this off across all protocols for security reasons. Since transactions on the Polygon network are so cheap, I don't mind having to approve the spending of my USDC for every deposit I make. I'm going to click Yes and Continue. MetaMask is going to ask me to approve this transaction. It's great that transactions on Polygon are so cheap, not even a penny. I'm going to click Confirm. Now that I've approved the protocol to spend my 100 USDC, I have to take that second step to confirm the actual deposit of the 100 USDC. So I'm going to click Confirm. You'll see now beside portfolio that I have 99.5 USDC. So that's 100 USDC less the 0.5 USDC deposit fee. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides to using DeFi.